Hear that.
It's already going, yeah, 5, 6.
Yeah. All right. We're going to take off a couple shingles here because we have to put the ice guard down over this side to meet code. And all the slopes are getting replaced except this back slope. They're not paying for. Take a couple shingles out. You can see how this slope is left over here with the existing underlayment.
So they're supposed to be capped over each other.
So we have to break this seal on these existing shingles, which is not good. All right, so we already have all these other slopes are paid for except for this back slope here. We got this hip and this hip. All these slopes are bought except this back one. And in order to install this slope here, that I have these caps off of, we have to take the underlayment has to go from the underlayment has to go from this slope and wrap over this slope for code. So we're going to have to take some shingles off of this slope and manipulate that back slope in order to get that right. By manipulating this back slope, we're going to get into all these shingles, and we're going to probably knock some granules loose, and the original seal isn't going to be there anymore. So in order to do that properly, that back slope should be repaired. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, take these shingles out. This back slope should be replaced, not only repaired. This is the slope that's already paid for. Taking some shingles off of this slope. Now, in order to do this properly, this underlayment needs to be overlapped. Over this back slope. If we take shingles out of this back slope, we need to break the seal. And now these won't seal anymore. You have to manually seal them.